I'm from Troy, Pennsylvania. I actually graduated from Troy High School, and I did my medical school down at Hershey. I've been at Guthrie for 16 years as of the beginning of August of this year. I chose Guthrie for multiple reasons. I really enjoyed the congenial aspect of working in an office that everyone knew everyone, that we all knew our patients, that we had the access to all the information. Guthrie is unique in that it has a unified medical record, which allows me to see things both from my specialists out in SARE, but I can also see specialists in other institutions through the EPIC system. My favorite thing about the area is not a simple answer. As I said, I grew up here. I graduated from this area. My family's all from here. My husband and his family are all from here. So I would say when the time came to decide where did you want to go, my only requirement was an area like here, like Troy. My husband's response was promptly, "Then why don't we go home?" And I said, "Absolutely." I'm not sure that I have a lot of free time. What I do have is typically wrapped up in my children. I have a son who will be a senior this year in high school and a daughter who will be a freshman. I attend a million football games, track meets, and volleyball games. And then I am an active volunteer with 4-H in the organization. So I do a lot of adult volunteering, teaching, just generally having a good time with them. Other free time, I have 2 dogs, my home, I love my flowers. One thing that patients should really know about me is that I do not medicalize why they are here. I do not use jargon. I try to explain things on the most basic level, as if I was describing it to my best friend. My entire way of looking at medicine is that this is a team. I am here to help you if you want to be helped, and I need you to understand everything that I'm doing. After 16 years of being here, my favorite story probably has to do with the fact that the building that I'm sitting in right now, I got to help design. The Guthrie Clinic and the Troy Community Hospital, we moved in here in 2013. The 2 years previous to that, my office manager and I literally were sitting down with the planning committee and building a functional space that I knew that would work well for myself, as well as my other providers, as well as my patients. And I think that's the fact that Guthrie took my opinion into the planning of an entire building really speaks to the teamwork within the system.